Hello.
And Maxwell is here with me, and this is part 2 of our...
very nice scissors.
No, not my sewing scissors. Hold on. Stop. This is part 2. Here, use these. Don't use my sewing scissors. Ah! Calm down. This is part 2 of our unboxing video for a pair of shoes.
The last part was like a unboxing gone wrong.
Yeah, unboxing fail. What we're doing is Maxwell really wanted to have red shoes, if you've been watching.
Yes.
Because he really likes red shoes, red sneakers, and he has a very wide foot. The ones we got online, because of the lockdown, we're still in lockdown, we can't get out to the store, hence we got another pack delivered to us, is because Maxwell has a wide foot, a 12. We've now figured out the 2E.
2E is like narrow.
Is narrow, and the ones we got
4E are
hopefully 4E, 12 4E, or a double wide, extra wide. So, but before we do our unboxing,
yes, because as you notice, we have 2 boxes here. So I have essentially 2 pairs of shoes here.
And what are these shoes?
These are not New Balances. I'm just using a box.
You had gotten New Balance shoes way before.
Yes, I've had the New Balance shoes. The shoes that were in this box were the these I got in the store.
Yes, these you got in the store.
Yeah, those were the blue ones.
And these were, and look at the size.
12 4E.
We got these at Famous Footwear. They were 12 4E. That's what we needed. The last ones we got that we did our unboxing
were 2E.
Were 2E. So these were $74.99, which I had no trouble. I had no trouble buying $74.99. But what's in this box? What's in this box?
These are not New Balances at all.
But they're red, and where did we get them? They're good-looking shoes, Maxwell.
They're good-looking shoes,
right?
But you'll never guess where we got these. We got them from Walmart.
From Walmart, like Maxwell. We went. He was so bummed out about our unboxing that we went to Walmart for the first time. I've been out of the house in 3 months. We went to Walmart
and found a pair of red shoes.
And we found a pair of red shoes for what were they?
A whopping $10.
No, I think they were $21. Oh no, $9.98. $10.
I told you.
And they fit you. No, they're $9.98. I know, you rounded it up.
I was rounding it up. I always do.
I didn't realize they were $10. 12 shoes, and they fit them fine. But in the meantime, somebody had commented. We got so many hundreds of comments like, "Oh, we love Maxwell. I hope Maxwell's gonna get his red shoes." Yeah. So somebody had commented about Kohls, and Kohls was. I'm so sorry. I got hundreds of comments. That Kohls at that moment were having a sale on these shoes. And hopefully, and I ordered them. There was Zappos, quite a lot of things, and I'm not cheap. I would have spent at that point $150. Well, maybe not $150. I spent $10.
The most expensive pair, you almost bought $100 pairs of shoes from me once.
Yeah, I did. But, we came to the conclusion your Air Jordans were what, Maxwell? Not $80 to $100.
$100 and like $10.
No.
Jordans can range from as cheap as $100 all the way up to the mid-$1,000.
For $4,000?
Yes, for $1,000. You are looking at special edition Jordans.
Oh, okay. That's what popped up.
With some limited supply.
Okay, well we didn't get them. I spent $10 whole dollars. No, I spent, these were, how much?
I just gotta say, compared to shopping for shoes with my mother, compared to shopping shoes with my father.
You should have taken your dad. You should have taken your dad with you. But then we can't get out to the stores. So again, online from Kohls. Okay, let's go.
No,
No, come on.
I would never do that. That's Me, now that's satisfying.
Okay.
And
Maybe you shouldn't have opened it like that.
Oh,
if
well.
we have to return it.
oh well.
Oh well, never mind. Okay, never mind.
There wasn't any good way of opening
Well,
this.
yeah, you're right. Well, we could have opened it at that end, Maxwell. Look, Maxwell, you really okay? That was my fault. I should have explained.
You should have specified.
I should have specified.
Hey, what? You want to tell that quick story really quick?
What's that quick story? No, we'll go to that. What story? Oh, the deodorant. No, that's it. Maxwell loves deodorant. He never ever smells. Every time we go to the store, Maxwell buys at least 3 deodorants.
Oh wow, those are.
Oh,
These.
wow. Now, what are they? Let's see what they are. These are called. Here, you read it?
These are Nike Revolution Flarents.
Flyees.
Flies. Oh, look.
Okay, and they were $48.75. These are Nikes.
This is interesting.
What's
It has a zipper. That's interesting.
Wow, they're nice looking. Show them. Oh, wow, they're very good looking. Now, again, before we really realized that Nike, although these look good, that Nike run very narrow. Nike and, what was the other one? New Balance and Nike, although you got to New Balance that were good. What the heck?
I don't know what this is. Okay, I guess I'll keep them.
Well,
I guess it makes putting on your shoe easier.
look, they have a zipper. These are weird. But that's awesome. Look, the whole back opens up. Okay, so now, here we go. We're going to try, they look, see, what does Mommy say? These look like they might fit Maxwell. Okay. Okay, well, so unzip the back. I don't even have to, do you have to unzip the back? Oh, that's a whole elastic thing. So you have to unzip the back. These are weird. These are Nike Revolution Flyees. 4E.
I guess I think it's Flyees for a zipper.
Flyees. You can flyees into them. Okay. Maxwell's going to fly into them.
For them lazy people out there.
Okay.
They would get
You're not
something
lazy.
Ish.
No, you've been working very hard with Daddy. Okay, try them on.
Oh.
Try them on.
I forgot socks.
You forgot socks. That's okay. If they fit. Okay, this is exciting.
There's no way I'm putting my foot up there.
Well, if they fit you, you should.
I'm gonna do a mega the world.
No, there's nothing in there. Oh, sorry. Okay, drum roll.
You don't have to do a drum roll.
Put your foot down. Oh, wow.
I'm not yeeting my shoe up there.
But do they fit?
Perfectly.
Oh, wow. We have a winner. Ding, 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 ding. Nice looking.
Yes.
Okay, come up here. Are you pleased? Oh, there you go. They fit. Look. Okay, this is a 4E.
That hurt.
If you have really wide feet, there you go. And they were on sale from Kohls. For $48.75. Oh, I'm so very pleased. Do you love them?
I'm glad I don't have to tie these.
Oh, you have to zip yourself. You have to zip your foot into. They're so weird. And then this is a Velcro. Oh, like Daddy's little Velcro sneakers. But cool Velcro.
I have no problem wearing old man sneakers, but I'm young.
Yeah.
And I don't like the Velcro. They look kind of cheesy looking.
Yeah, Daddy has Velcro slippers. Although Daddy looks nice.
No offense to anybody who wears those shoes. I'm not making fun of them.
Yeah, that's right. Because they are very practical. The Velcro for older people instead of messing about with the laces. But these, I would imagine, an older person would like these.
An older person who wants to go for a jog can use these.
Look at that. What a nice looking shoe. And we have a winner. Nike Revolution Fly Ease at Kohls for wide feet. Good looking for red shoes. Look how.
Compared to those, it's like, hey, we thought these were bright until we got these.
These are really, yeah, this is more like a maroon, and this is a true red, which you really, really want. These are just going to be for good, right?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. And these will be for, these will just be for messing about. Or no, for good too. Will you wear these now? They cost me all $9.98.
Yes, I'll.
Yes, you can wear
Well,
them.
Wehrman, have you noticed, recalling to the other video, part 1, have you noticed all the shoes, what were there? Have you noticed anything?
Yeah, well, they can refer back to part 1. You like the mesh.
Yes.
Yes.
I like the mesh. Terrible in rain, though.
Yes, they are terrible in rain.
The one time it was.
Yeah.
I was on a hike. We had to get back to the car. Started pouring rain.
Yeah. They leaked. They leak. From the top down.
Yes, they seep into my sock.
All right. Well, never mind. Don't wear them in the rain. You live and learn.
Nature, you can't come tell nature to stop raining,
Yeah,
can you?
I know, but you can't tell nature, but you can have the brains to get out of the rain because of his leaky shoes. But anyway, that's that. We have success. You thrilled? Am I keeping you up? You walked past the box. That was funny.
The other day, I kept walking past this one box. Like, huh? Like, what is that?
Because I had ordered a few things. My candy.
Like.
Oh, I know.
Hey, I should say essential 2 5-pound chocolates.
I was quite desperate.
And Tootsie Rolls of 5 pounds.
A 5-pound box of bag of Tootsie Rolls. I was on Amazon and I thought.
That's not a need at all.
That was an essential need. We have a basket in our living room. It's a big basket this big. And last year at around Halloween when we can get candy in bulk, stop yawning. Am I keeping you up?
Sorry, I was making my coffee.
Okay, sorry. He needs his coffee. I bought a whole bunch of bulk chocolate and candy bars, individually wrapped, and that was last year. So it's the bottom of that basket's getting empty. So I saw this candy chocolate.
Good thing you hid it from all the nieces and nephews.
I know, because daddy, that's Daddy's stash. Anyway, that's that.
Yes, even though they could have grabbed it at any moment,
but they haven't been here for 3 months.
I meant the other house.
At the other house, yeah, at home. Which
not home.
No, not
this
home.
Is home.
This is home. This is home. This is home. Our other house, maybe within what, the next the next 2 or 3 days.
2 or 3 days. It should be listed.
Yeah, it should be listed. So I haven't been back to that house. In Maxwell.
Yes, you have.
Once. Oh, I went once to get the mail. Maxwell and Ian and the team have been working very hard to get it ready for sale. But this is home. Maxwell has his 2 rooms here.
Yes, 2 rooms better than a basement.
You had a nice basement. That was a beautiful basement.
It was a beautiful basement, but
it was a basement.
I was gaming in a basement, and it was cold and often smelled like laundry machine.
Well, because the laundry room was down there. Yeah, the laundry room was down there. It didn't smell, and it wasn't cold. It was a heated basement. Stop making it out like it was horrible. What we have here is better, yes?
Yes, yeah. And I could actually customize it. So many times I said, can I take off this wallpaper? And you said, no, keep it.
I know.
Now I can finally design, decorate my own office.
Yes. Okay. Now that's another video when we get your Hot Wheels wall up. Okay, that'll be a surprise. Okay. Be nice.
But then tell me, if you want it to be a surprise, why are you mentioning it?
Okay, because the pictures are gonna be a surprise. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, so now we have our we have our we don't have to return them.
I thought that was a stain,
I did too.
but it's a part of the shoe.
Yeah, yeah. We don't have to return them. We got our shoes. Unboxing number 2 is a complete success. Maxwell has his shoes. He has 2 pairs of shoes.
Yes.
Total, they cost $58 for 2 pairs of shoes. We did it. We did it. Awesome, folks. Thank you so much for tuning in.
Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you. Coffee time.
Coffee time for Maxwell. See you later. Bye.
Bye.